Welcome to the xarvio Digital Farming Solutions Field Manager help videos. In this video, we are going to show you how to make edits to a field border that you've already created. On the left-hand side under the status bar, you'll see all the different field borders that we have available. Find the field that you wish to make edits to and select it. On the pop-out banner that comes out, select Edit Shape. You'll see our border is here and available, and we can make edits to it. In the top right hand side, you'll see that we have three options: Draw, Cutout, and Shape Simplification. If we stick on Draw, right now we have the ability to move and navigate these vertices as much as we want, or even add vertices in. If we wish to delete one of these points, you can hover over them and select Delete Point. Now, if we go over to where it says Shape Simplification and click on it, it turns dark blue. What this does is it eliminates the amount of vertices that we have on our map to give it a simpler look. If we go over to Mid, you'll see that we've gone to a standard 4-corner area. Max will actually take us to 3 points. We're going to keep this on Mid. Now, go over and select Cutout. And you can see now how my cursor is turned orange. In this particular field, you can see that we have this treat area that we want to remove from our current field boundary. Start selecting the area you wish to remove. And just like drawing a border, draw around the area that you wish to cut out. As you can see, just like in drawing the field border, my initial point is flashing, in this case orange. Pay attention to how the field says 1.86 hectares. As I close this field, that has actually changed. When you're happy with your edits, go ahead and select Save. At this point, just make sure to confirm your actual field name and select Save. As you can see, the edits have been made and this field is ready to go, and a crop can now be assigned to it.